So that one. This is the same problem with the tape.
Oh.
See, just because it's fatter doesn't make it any better.
Nope.
It still failed. The glue let us down. The plastic is still good. It's good for another 100 years. But the glue flat failed. This one here looks like an 87 number on it. And I don't see a date on this one here that I can read. Can you read the date?
I see a 5.
It's got that. It's like the glue is disappearing.
Yeah.
I think it says 87 on it. Dash number, the part number. So this is a countershaft drive gear for a Sportster. You know why they call it countershaft drive gear?
No.
Because it drives a countershaft.
Okay. Makes sense.
You got the high gear right here, the clutch gear here, and it drives all those other gears around that shaft.
Yeah.
So they make these in 26 and 27 tooths. This is probably going to be a 26 tooth because it's 87. 87 is when they came out with the 1200, and they had a close ratio gearbox on the 1200.
Oh.
The 83 had the wide one, wide ratio box. So it's 27 or 26 tooth. 26 is close ratio, 27 is wide ratio. 26. It's close ratio. So it fits a 1200. So that would be a C box on a race bike. If you have a KR or XR, C box. That's what I use in my bikes.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's good. Those are getting hard to come by. Andrews doesn't reproduce any of that for some reason. Don't know why.